Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Vanguard to invest. Vanguard is a renowned investment management company that offers a wide range of low-cost investment products. To get started, you will need to create an account on the Vanguard website. This can be done by providing some basic personal and financial information. Once your account is set up, you can begin exploring the various investment options available. Vanguard offers a range of index funds, exchange-traded funds, and mutual funds. Index funds are a popular choice as they track a specific market index, such as the S&P 500, and provide broad diversification and low costs. To invest in a Vanguard fund, simply log into your account and navigate to the investment page. From here, you can browse the available funds and select the one that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. You can also use the Vanguard website to research and compare different funds and read reviews from other investors. When selecting a fund, consider the investment minimum, expense ratio, and historical performance. The investment minimum is the minimum amount of money required to invest in a fund, while the expense ratio is the annual fee charged by the fund. Historical performance is also important, but keep in mind that past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Once you have selected a fund, you can invest by transferring money from your bank account or other Vanguard accounts. You can also set up a regular investment schedule, which allows you to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. It is also important to have a long-term perspective when investing with Vanguard. Avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations, and instead focus on your long-term financial goals. Additionally, consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in a range of different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Finally, Vanguard offers a range of tools and resources to help you manage your investments. These include portfolio tracking, investment analysis, and retirement planning tools. By taking advantage of these resources, you can make informed investment decisions and achieve your financial goals. In conclusion, using Vanguard to invest is a straightforward process that can be completed online or through the Vanguard mobile app. By following these steps and considering your investment goals and risk tolerance, you can create a diversified portfolio and achieve long-term financial success.